Hey everyone, welcome to my listing here at BF Homes Elizalde. So this is it's an open enclave. Pag diniretso po natin yan, about 50 meters is already the exit. Okay? So my listing here is a vacant lot. For lease ito, no? For lease, ito po. 350 square meters. And orientation is facing north. Okay, as of now we are leasing this as is. The classification is residential. So kung ang plano nyo po dito is commercial, you will be the one to apply for the permit. Okay? So, sa ngayon, nakabakod siya kasi hindi namin alam ang plano ng magiging tenant kung walang bakod or meron lang gate. No? So, depende kung ano ang magiging plano nyo as a tenant. Okay, so sa ngayon, makikita nyo po itong listing only through this fence kasi isasara na to. I mean only through this video kasi isasara na tong fence ng kapitbahay. Sila ang previous owner. So ito po ang condition, just to give you an idea. So may puno po ng chiko dyan, may puno po dito. So meron dong isang room na ginawang maid's quarter before. And then ito ginawang garahe. But it will all up to you kung anong plano nyong gawin dito. So again, today sasara na po ito. So eto lang pong video na to will be your basis. Kasi hindi pa namin siya maumpisang pag-iba dahil depende po sa magiging plano nyo. Okay? So please give me a call if you're interested. Madali lang kausap yung owner nito. Thank you, bye. God bless.